the HFS Hydrosub mote, a revolutionary new water-moving system. When pumping water using a conventional system, the height difference is limited to approximately 25 feet. The HFS Hydrosub can overcome height differences up to 165 feet simply by lowering a submersible pump into the water. An inaccessible area very often makes it impossible for current firefighting equipment to get even close to the water. The HFS Hydrosub is able, due to its hydraulic transmission, to cover a distance of 200 feet. These obstacles are definitely in the way. It's almost impossible to reach the water. The portable submersible pump of the Hydrosub can simply be carried to the water. To cover a distance of, for instance, 10,000 feet with current firefighting apparatus, approximately 9 boosting units are required, involving a great number of firefighters. The HFS Hydrosub can cover this distance on its own, resulting in decreased investment costs and decreased manpower requirement, along with an enormous time saving. The HFS Hydrosub mote is available as a trailer version and as a pod system. This new system consists of the following major components: a diesel engine, a hydraulic variable pump, a portable submersible pump weighing only 220 pounds. The diesel engine is used as power unit. By means of the hydraulic transmission, using 200 feet of hydraulic hose on reels, it drives the submersible pump. The HFS Hydrosub mote, which effectively provides a constant water supply from a location up to 1.9 miles from the fire, uses a revolutionary new pod system. This pod system offers advantages, such as mounting and demounting within 80 seconds and one-man operation from within the cab of the truck. Furthermore, it enables you to save on truck investment costs because the available units offer a multifunctional use. The pod system, which can be used on either paved or unpaved surface, is available in a 1.9 mile and a 0.6 of a mile version, using 6-inch hoses. The HFS Hydrosub is an integral part of the pod system. When using the 0.6 of a mile version, the Hydrosub is placed next to the hose compartment. Near the water supply point, the Hydrosub can easily be demounted by the sliding arm on the truck chassis. For quick hose layout, the hoses are unrolled from the moving truck on its way to the fire. The larger version of the HFS pod system offers storage for 1.9 miles of 6-inch hose. The Hydrosub then is mounted on an additional trailer. And of course, it's possible to fit in the Hydrosub into an existing fire truck. While the truck drives to the fire, laying out the hoses, the submersible pump is simultaneously pulled out of the unit to be lowered into the water. The maximum distance between the submersible pump and the power unit is 200 feet, either vertically or horizontally. Because the pump is submerged, a constant pump capacity can be obtained of, for instance, 1,200 gallons per minute at 115 psi pressure, or 660 gallons per minute at 200 psi pressure. Meanwhile, the truck has arrived on the fire and the laid-out hose is connected to a manifold, from where the water is diverted to, for instance, several hose streams, another boosting unit, or an oscillating monitor. Then the diesel engine in the Hydrosub is set at a fixed speed. Pump capacity changes are easily done by one control on the hydraulic transmission. In this case, extinguishing is done with the new oscillating monitor, which replaces 5 smaller hose streams and is set up and operated with minimal manpower. The movement of the monitor can be interrupted to direct water to one certain spot and can be adjusted either horizontally or vertically. The oscillating monitor effectively applies water in hazardous environments without exposing firefighters to unnecessary risks. The word of the new HFS Hydrosub mote spreads like wildfire in the firefighting business, and the Dutch Inspectorate of Fire Services has already ordered 200 units to be placed at fire brigades all over Holland.